Hey everybody, this is Jeremiah with Craftsman Home Inspections, your home inspector in Aurora, Colorado and Denver, Colorado. Hey, just wanted to give you a tip of the day. Everyone has to install new air filters in their furnace from time to time. I always see air filters installed upside down, and so I want to just give you a quick little tip because it seems like a lot of people don't know this. Your air filter has an arrow saying to install it this way, with the airflow flowing back up into the furnace. And so you want to make sure that arrow is facing the right direction when you install your air filter. Jeremiah with Craftsman Home Inspections, giving you our best inspection every time. Have a great day, guys.